Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to install NetBeans in Windows 11. In order to do this, we're going to go over to our web browser and search for NetBeans. And this might be your result, but you're basically going to be looking for netbeans.apache.org. So we're going to click on it, and you can see the latest release, and at this time it's Apache NetBeans 25. So that's the current version. We're going to click on download. And you'll have different options right here, but do take note that your option would be under installers and packages. And we have the Apache NetBeans 25 bin Windows 64X. So we're going to click on this one, and then it's going to take you to this page. Now you're going to click on this link right here, and you'll see your download beginning. After your download is done, you'll need to go over to your file folder in order to install NetBeans. However, it's important to note that you'll need to have Java installed on your computer in order for NetBeans to successfully install. So we just came over to New tab, and here we have Java. And then we're going to scroll to where we have Oracle, Java Technologies, and all of that. Click on Java Downloads. So here on this Oracle page, you can see Java Downloads, and there are different information here. And you can see JDK 23, JDK 21. You could choose any of these options. So we're going to leave it at JDK 23, and we're going to switch to Windows. So you can go ahead and select any of these options. We're going to be going with the 64 installer. Click on it to download it. So now we have it downloaded. We're just simply going to click on Open File. As you can see, we have the installation file. We're going to click on Next. Click on Next again. And now we're going to click on Close because Java has been successfully installed. And now we're going to start with our NetBeans installer. And here it says, welcome to Apache NetBeans installer. And it tells you all the things it will install as you begin. Installation size is also right here. So click on next. Go ahead and accept after, of course, reading all of these. Click on the checkbox and then click on next. So right here you have installed the Apache NetBeans, and it shows you its location. And because we installed Java already, it locates it already. So that's why it's important to have Java, because if you don't have Java, you will receive an error message a few steps before this stage. So go ahead and click on next and then click install. So after a few moments, you can see installation completed successfully. We can click on finish. So if you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.